I got a call from somebody that there are young girls who are in jail in Ropar. Age group was between 25 to 30. So I was very surprised that there are 30 to 40 girls like that in the jail. Why is it so? So that was very, very inquisitive for me. I went and found out that these girls, they had come from various states, Nagaland, Manipur and other places. They came here and they picked up a job with immigration company or some other companies. These girls, when they went to take their job, they were not given any job contracts. They were not given any details. They were made to sign a contract on a blank paper. They didn't know what it is. Why they signed the blank paper was that immediately we will file the contract on the paper, but join from tomorrow. Typing and all takes a little time. So they signed the blank paper. After this join, nothing was given to them. But when things started going wrong in the company in immigration, like taking money or any pilferages which was going on, so there was a police raid on it. When the police caught them, so they started questioning the owners of it. Owner said, "We have got nothing to do with it. Her responsibility was to collect the money. Her responsibility was to discharge all the paperwork required and all." So then they produced that blank paper in which all the specifications were given that Malik is nothing to do with it. It is only the person who is put into the position. They are responsible. So police get hold of them. So when I went there and I saw that there are pleas from the girls, there were two girls who were pregnant also, advanced pregnancy, and there was nobody to fight for them. So we arranged for the advocates for them. The law also took a bit of time to give them the interim bail and all that. But we made sure that the crowded, which is very small place where they have kept, we shifted them to Naba jail and we got them the bails from there.